Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this border or edge. I use it for this blanket too, and I really in love with this blanket. If you want, I can show it to you. Of course, please leave comments. And if you want to make this blanket or watch this blanket's video, just look at here now. I made a video about it. It's a really quick and easy border, and it looks really nice. I like to use it. I hope you like it too. I will use 3mm crochet hook and a cotton yarn. If you are ready, just please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot and start from a corner. You can choose any one of them and make a standing half double here. Just take the yarn and pull it from all the loops. If it's too hard for you, you can just tie your yarn here and chain 2. It counts as a half double. Just make 3 half double here. Okay. Then make 1 half double here. Then 1 half double into that 1 chain space. 1 here. And 1 for 1 chain space. I'll just keep doing like that. When I came to corner again, I'll see you. I came to the corner again, and I will make 5 half double crochet here. 3, 4, and 5. Then I will make 1 here, 1 here, 1 there, 1 here. I will just keep doing like that and turn around this work. I'll make 5 half double crochet all the corners, and when it's finished, we will see each other again. I came to the end, and at first I made here 3 half double. Now I will make 2 more. And then join from the first stitch. Just make a slip stitch like that. Chain 4. We will make V stitch here. Just insert your hook at the same space and make a V stitch. Chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet into same space. Chain 1 and 1 more. I totally make 3V here, 4 double crochet like that. Don't make a chain, just skip 1 and 2 half double crochet, make a V, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, skip 2, make 1 more, double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Just keep doing like that. When you came to the corner, I will show you. Yes, I made here and show you. At the corner, you see I'm at this 5 half double crochet. I will skip 1, 2 and make a 3V into that third half double crochet. You can use this edge all the blankets you have or your shawl. If you have more stitches here or less stitches here, it's not important. Just skip all them and make 3V into that third half double crochet side. That's 1, 2 and 3, like that. And I will just keep doing like that, turn around this work. I almost complete the second row. I have 1 stitch left here, but as I say, it's not important. I'll join from this third chain and make a slip stitch. Only important thing is here, there must be same V's here and here. I have 14 and 14. I have 12 and 12 because it's rectangular. If your blanket is square, it all must be same. Now I will slip stitch into that first V and chain 4. Make a double crochet into same space. This is our first V, and that second one we will make the same thing again. Just 1, chain 1, 2, chain 1, 3, chain 1 and 4 double crochet. It's 3V or. And I will make 1 here into that V stitch again, and I will make 1 for all the V stitches we have. Just keep doing like that and make the corner like I did here. I complete this row too, and I will join from this third chain, sorry. You can make it bigger and bigger like that, nothing changes. Just make 3V here, okay, into that second V, and then keep doing like that. I'll show you. I made 1, 2, 3, 4 V rows here, and then make shell. And now I will show you how to make these shells. We will make our first shell into that second V into the corner. Now we will make slip stitches. Just 1, 2, 3 and 4 slip stitch. We are at the first V in the corner. Just chain 1 and make a single crochet into same place. Yarn over and make 9 double crochet into that second V. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And make a single crochet into that V stitch. That's our first shell. we will only make 9 double crochet shell into the corner. Here we will make shells with 7 double crochet. I skip that one. I will make a single crochet here, and into the next V I will make 7 double crochet. And 7. Just make a single crochet into the next V. Into the next V, we will make 7 double crochet shell. Into that next V, make a single crochet. Just keep doing like that. If it's too much for you, you can make 5 here and 7 here. We will keep doing like that. When you came here, into that second V we made, we will make 9 double crochet again. If you have one more or less V, just skip 2 and make 9 double crochet shell here. Okay, I will just keep doing and complete this row. I have a chance to show you this. Look, I have 2 V left here. I will skip that one and make a single crochet into second one and make 9 double crochet here. Okay, just like that, finish this row too. I made my last shell and join from the single crochet with a slip stitch. I will chain 1 and cut the yarn, and it's finished. I hope you like it. If you like, you can use a ribbon like that. It's not necessary, of course. I didn't use one for here. And if you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please, I'll wait for your comments. Please correct my words because I don't know if I make it right or wrong. I'm just trying, and I hope you will help me for that. You can reach me on my Instagram address, Crochet, anytime you want. That's it for today. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day.